Let's make cleaning hassle-free. The Euroclean WTX2 is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner that boasts of a combination of high-tech aesthetics and state-of-the-art Swiss design. It is powered by innovative Deep Cleaning Plus technology and smart ergonomics that ensures hassle-free usage. Eureka Forbes, your friend for life.
Disinfect and clean your home with the powerful Forbes Vapo Mop from Eureka Forbes. It has a built-in water filter that removes impurities from tap water. It comes with fragrance discs to keep your home smelling clean and fresh. Its powerful 1600-watt flash heating system makes it steam ready in 30 seconds flat. Vapo Mop uses the power of steam to sanitize floors without harmful chemicals. The steam eliminates 99.99% bacteria. For your convenience, the Vapo Mop features a large cleaning head for faster cleaning. But not the least, the storage-friendly design ensures convenient parking. Don't bow down to germs. Don't bow down to dirt. Forbes Vapo Mop with steam.